Now we have the Wilcoxon sign rank test, which is the equivalent for your paired sample t-test if it's a non-parametric test. So its assumptions, the dependent variable should be measured at the ordinal per continuous level. So the sample size must be less than 30 cases per group. The independent variable should consist of two categorical related groups or matched pairs. The difference is not approximately normally distributed. And we have here the example problem. A test was conducted for 2 overnight mail delivery services. Two samples of identical deliveries were set up so that both delivery services were notified of the need for a delivery at the same time. The hours required to make each delivery follow. Do the data shown suggest a difference in the median delivery time for the two services? Use a 0.05 level of significance for the test. Okay? So this is not data here. So this is delivery 1 to 11, which is less than 30. And you have your time here. Or that's the delivery time. Okay? So we go to your variable view. And then you have here service 1 and service 2. And both data are in scale or continuous. And let's have a decimal values here because the data have decimal values as well. Then you just copy this one. You go to your data view and then you paste your answers here. Or that is the data here. Then analyze, and again, non-parametric test, related samples, scan data, and go to fields, and then test fields is service 1 and service 2. And then you just run. And so this is now the result. So retain the null hypothesis. The sig value is 0.326, which is greater than 0.05. Okay? So positive differences 6, negative differences 5. So number of ties none. Okay? So there is no significant difference in the median delivery times for the two services that were checked.